Welcome to today's math review. Ever wondered how math shows in everyday life? Here's a quick one for you. If you add 15 to my number and then multiply the sum by 2, you get 66. What is my number? In this video, we'll break it down step by step using algebraic thinking and reverse operations. Now let's solve this problem. If you add 15 to my number and then multiply the sum by 2, you get 66. What is my number? Step number 1, let's represent the unknown number with a variable. So in this problem, let x equals my number. So the number we want to find. For the step number 2, we translate the words into an equation. In this problem, if you add 15 to my number is x. Therefore, add 15 to my number is x plus 15. Next, multiply the sum by 2. So we multiply x and 15 by 2. Therefore, we have 2 times x plus 15. Then you get 66. So we equate 66 to the expression. Or we have, and for the final equation, we have 2 times x plus 15 equals 66. So our equation now is 2 times x plus 15 equals 66. Step number 3, solve the equation. So the given equation is 2 times x plus 15 equals 66. So step 3.1, we divide both sides of the equation by 2 to get rid of the multiplication. Okay? So we divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 1 times x plus 15, then we have x plus 15. Or we just cancel 2. Okay, so x plus 15 equals 66 divided by 2 equals 33. So our new equation now is x plus 15 equals 33. Step 3.2. Subtract 15 from both sides to isolate x. Okay, so we have again the new equation x plus 15 equals 33. And then we subtract both sides by negative 15. So we have x plus 15 minus 15 equals 33 minus 15. Now we simplify. 15 minus 15 is 0. Okay, we have x equals 33 minus 15 equals 18. So x equals 18. Again, the answer to this problem, if you add 15 to my number and then multiply the sum by 2, you get 66. What is my number? And the equivalent equation is 2 times x plus 15 equals 66. We are looking for my number. Okay, my number is 18. Again, the final answer is 18. Okay, so that's all for now, and thank you for watching. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.